Hey everyone, welcome back to Quad Tech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you a super easy way to add YouTube directly to your taskbar in Windows 10. With just a few steps, you can create a shortcut using Chrome so that you can open YouTube with a single click anytime you want. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below to let me know. Let's dive right in and set up that shortcut. To add YouTube to the taskbar in Windows 10 by creating a shortcut using Chrome, follow these steps. Launch Chrome and go to youtube.com. Click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome to open the menu. Hover over Share, select Create Shortcut from the sub-menu. A pop-up will appear. Name the shortcut as a YouTube. The shortcut will now appear on your desktop. Right-click on it and select Pin to Taskbar. Now you'll have a YouTube shortcut on your taskbar that opens directly in Chrome. And that's it! Now you've got YouTube just a click away on your taskbar in Windows 10. I hope this quick tip was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you'd like more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.